Welcome to ResNexus. In this video, we are going to go over the basics of how to set up your automatic deposits and your scheduled deposits. Once you've logged into ResNexus, navigate to the Settings section. In the Start Typing to Search, enter in Deposit, and then click on the Deposit Setting option. If you have not previously enabled deposits, click the toggle to turn on the option. Here, we can set up the initial deposit and your scheduled deposits. We'll click the Add Rule button. First, enter the rule name. Then, under When should the deposit be collected, to enable automatic deposits, select At the time of booking. Next, select the deposit amount that should be collected. Either enter a percentage of the total, a fixed dollar amount or percentage of the total, whichever is larger, or collect the first night's rate. You'll then use the toggle to select which items to collect when processing the deposit. You can enable retail items and taxes. Note that the gift certificates are always set to auto-collect. You have the option to apply the rules to the following. Go to our Advanced Deposit Rules video for a more detailed explanation. Under Options, you can choose the Exclude Direct Connect bookings. Once you've made your updates, click Save. If you want to collect the remaining balance before the guest's arrival, you will need to set up a scheduled deposit. Click the Add Rule button, enter in the name of the rule, select the bubble for Scheduled for 7 days before arrival, and update the preferred number of days. Next, select what deposit should be collected. Do you want a percentage of the total remaining deposit, a fixed dollar amount, or a fixed dollar amount or percentage of the total, whichever is larger? For last-minute bookings, you can collect one of the following: a combination of the total and scheduled deposit, to collect the scheduled deposit instead of the initial deposit, or to collect 100% of the booking. You also have the option to apply the rule to the following. Once you've made your changes, click Save. Under Options, you can use the toggle to enable the following settings. When an online reservation is booked for more than X days in advance, authorize the card instead of charging the card. Send guests an email or text message when scheduled deposits are processed successfully. Send a notification when the scheduled deposit is processed successfully. Or send a notification when the scheduled deposit fails to process. Always remember to click Save. Thank you for learning more about ResNexus.